Welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to create a AI that can differentiate between two different objects. Okay, so without a further delay, let's start. And we are not going to use any coding. Okay, so first just go to google.com. Okay, and search for a website called Teachable Machine. So Teachable Machine. Okay, and once you go to the Google, you can see the search results teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. Okay, so I'll share this link in the video description as well. So just click on that. So it will open this website. Okay, so this is a company named Teachable Machine and it's working with Google and it's using its technology TensorFlow, which is built by Google to make machine learning algorithms. So Teachable Machine is using TensorFlow internally to build the AIs. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. We'll just create AI using their tools. Okay, so in order to create a new AI, just click on this option menu and click on new project. So once you click on new project, it will give you three options. The first one is the image project, the second one is the audio project, and the third one is the pose project. So image project is basically your data will be images. Okay, the model that will be trained on data, that data will be images. The second one is the audio project where the data will be audio, and the last one is the pose project where you will provide data with in the form of different poses of a human body. So the outcomes of all three projects is different. So in this current tutorial we are going to use image project. Okay, so first click on the option menu, then click on the new project and then click on image project. Once you click on the image project, it asks for two types of images, like which kind of image that you want. So we want a standard image model. Okay, so click on this. So I assume that you people know the basics of artificial intelligence. So in artificial intelligence you have first your data, then you have training, and then you get a trained model. Okay, so the first part your data, the data on which your model will be trained, and the second one is the training part, and third one is the model. So you can see here there are two by default classes that they have given, class 1 and class 2. So first we'll change these two. Okay, so since we are building this AI for identifying two different objects, the two different objects that I am taking for this video is two water bottles. One is of blue color and the second one is of the gray color. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll give our first data the name of blue color. Okay, so blue bottle, let's say, and the second one will be, let's say, gray bottle. Okay, now you can see there is option to add a class. Okay, so you can differentiate between multiple objects. So for this video we are going to add only two. Now there are two ways you can add a data. One is through webcam and the other one is through directly uploading the images. So for example, if you already have a bunch of images of the objects that you want to identify, you can directly upload those images from here, or either you can directly go through webcam. So for this video I am doing it through webcam. So let's first add the images of a blue bottle. Okay, so in order to do that, just click on the webcam. Okay, and click on this hold record. So what it is doing is it's taking all the images of a blue bottle. Now try to give as much data as you can. Okay, and once this is done, release the hold record. Okay, now you have a data for blue bottle. Now let's add a data for our gray bottle. So just go here, click on webcam, and you can see here we have added 307 image samples. So now we'll add the data for this gray bottle. So I'll just move and you can hold to record. Now we'll add all the images from all the directions. Okay, So this is our gray bottle. Now the next part is to train the model. Okay, so just click on this train model. Now what it will do is, okay, yeah. So what it will do right now is it will train the AI on these two data. First one is the blue bottle images and the second one is the gray bottle images. Now we don't have to do anything, just click on this train model and it will automatically train it. Okay, so you can see the progress here, preparing training data. Okay, so it takes some time, like 1 minute or so. Okay, so you can see the progress over here as well. So just wait for some time, and don't switch the tabs. You can see the alert message over here. Don't switch tabs, you must leave this tab open to train your model. So this is because your model is getting trained locally in your browser. So we'll wait. Okay, our training has been done. Okay, so now let's check if our model is working correct or not. Okay, so I'll just move, and the ideal should be when I show it a blue bottle, the blue bottle percentage should be high. So you can see when I show the blue bottle in the output tab, blue bottle is 100%. Now let's show it a gray bottle. So if you show it a gray bottle, you can see gray bottle is 100%. Okay, so this is the way you can create an AI with artificial intelligence or with teachable machine. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, so now we have created our model. Okay, so this was the default preview provided in this website itself. Now let's say you want to use this trained model to your own website. So just click here, export model. It will open this box. Now there are two ways you can use this model. Okay, either you can download it in your own laptop and use it in your own website, or you can post this model into the teachable machines marketplace. It's like Amazon for trained AI models. You can publish your AI model on their marketplace so that everybody can use. Okay, so it's up to you. If you want everybody to use it, you can directly post on their site, or you can download it and use it in your own website. So it's very easy to use. If you just know a basic JavaScript, you can use it. So if you can, even you don't have to write that code as well. They have given that code as well. So just scroll down, you can see JavaScript written here. Just copy this entire code and you can see this const URL. Okay, this is the URL of your model. So once you, let's say there are two ways, as I said, either you can download it on your own machine or you can upload it on their marketplace. So if you download in your own machine, you need to host your model somewhere and provide the URL of that model to this constant URL. Okay, or if you decide to upload your model on teachable machines marketplace, you can directly click on here, upload model. You can see it's uploading and it will give you a hosted link. That link you can use over here. Okay, and it will provide you output like this. So basically this AI machine, this teachable machine, is a company which wants to democratize the artificial intelligence, and it's working with Google to do that. So their main objective is to democratize the artificial intelligence technology. So let's say tomorrow you are a normal developer who knows the basics of coding and you want to solve a problem and you want to use artificial intelligence to solve this problem. So you don't have to worry about the inner workings of artificial intelligence. You can directly come to this website, train your model and use that model to solve your problem. So what they basically want is, they want developers to focusing on solving the problems rather than learning the AI. Okay, so go ahead, you can create your own models So I just added data for only 2 objects here, a blue bottle and gray bottle. You can add for like 10. Okay, there is no upper limit. You just need to have enough data. Okay, you can create your own AIs. So go ahead, play with it, create your own AI models, and do share those AI models on LinkedIn and Twitter. And do not forget to thank Google and Teachable Machine for that. Okay, because they are the one who have given this opportunity. And please share this video with as many people as you can. Share this video on LinkedIn, on Twitter as well, so that many people will come to know about this technology, that this technology even exists, because it's so helpful to solve problems. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel, because we are going to create these videos many more. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and goodbye.